Where is my laptop? I see only my reflection instead of my favorite TV series. Something has certainly gone wrong. And is that a teeny mouse? I can hardly hold it in my hands. Shape air dry clay into a mini mouse. Score buttons with a knife. Cut a thin ring off a cocktail straw. Cut it in half and insert it into the mouse, imitating a scroll wheel. Cover the mouse with acrylic paint and add a layer of clear nail polish on top. Cut a mouse pad out of thick colored paper. These mini gadgets seem to be straight out of the Tortures and Horrors in High School series. We are fed up with listening to boring lectures. We'd better listen to music. Miss Smith is doing her favorite thing. She's scrutinizing the globe, but once she sees our headphones, she uses her magic wand, and our headphones turn into nose phones. Cut off a protecting plastic cap ring and take it away. Make the cut bigger. Fill holes in 2 identical buttons with white glue. And hot glue the buttons to the cut ring to get mini headphones. Make them more voluminous with hot glue. And sprinkle the entire surface with glitter. What kind of strange device is that? We look like aliens with those nose phones. We can listen to music with a regular Bluetooth speaker while the teacher is away. We turn on the music and dance while sitting on our chairs. But Miss Smith is already here. She's a professional buzzkill. And our Bluetooth speaker becomes way smaller than it used to be. Wrap an empty bobbin with foam rubber sheet. Fill the holes with hot glue. Attach pink tulle on top of the foam rubber. Cut a control panel detail out of an orange foam rubber sheet. Attach it using multi-purpose glue, covering the end holes. Cut out another smaller control panel detail and attach it as a second layer to add some volume. Attach additional details. Draw the buttons on the control panel. This Bluetooth speaker is so small that you can't hear anything. It might be great for a bug party. Miss Smith conjures a big Bluetooth speaker for herself, and it turns on at full power. Paint a plastic bread box. Attach tulle to it. Add bright foam rubber details. Heat it up with a hairdryer so that the foam rubber gets the shape of the bread box. Attach foam rubber buttons. Oh my! We should shut our ears not to hear the loud sounds. It's strange, but there is no music coming out of the speaker. The only thing we can hear is Miss Smith munching. She's taken her sandwich out of the bread box and enjoys her music lunch. The girls have gotten tired with all these teaching tricks and fell asleep. Miss Smith still cares about her students. She lets them rest on huge and soft headphones. Paint 2 paper plates silver. Cut 2 circles out of a foam rubber sheet. Attach them to the plates using double-sided tape. Write Troom Troom. Put polyester fiber filling onto the plates and cover them with fabric. Hot glue. Cut out a wide ring from polyester fiber filling. Make a fabric ring to fit the cardboard size. Make cuts along the fabric edge. Put a few polyester rings, one onto another. Press them down with the cardboard ring. Pull the fabric and hot glue it to the cardboard. Attach the soft ring to the plate pillow. Make 2 of the same maxi headphones. Wrap pipe insulation with fabric and sew it down. Insert a wire frame inside. Attach the headphones and hot glue. Sleep tight and sweet dreams. And if I turn on a lullaby, you will sleep peacefully and deep. Did you like our gadget ideas? Then write in your comments what size of the gadgets you liked the most, mini versions or giant ones. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new school pranks on the Troom Troom channel.